change the font color and font size. To change the font size, you need to highlight the word that you want to change its font size, like this. After you highlight the word, you click this and choose what number of size you want. Example, 18. Then after you choose, you click that. After you click it, it will automatically change the font size. That's how to change the font size. Next is how to change the font color. To change the font color, you need also to highlight the word that you want to change the font color. After you highlight, you click this. After you click this, choose what color you like. Example, green. Then, when you choose, click it. And after you click it, it will automatically change the font color. And that's how to change the font color. Thank you for watching.